The karmic retribution of selling oneself in exchange for making offerings to the three jewels. Once upon a time, there was a couple living in extreme poverty. One day the man, Jiilo, saw his master go to a temple to make offerings to the three jewels, Triratna, and he was touched by his master. After he came home, he sighed with emotion and burst into tears. His wife asked him what happened.
We are so poor because we did not accumulate and cultivate merits and virtues in our past lives. And now we finally have the opportunity to make offerings to the three jewels in this life, but we cannot afford to do so. It is not hard to imagine that our future lives will be even poorer. Thinking about that makes me shed tears.
You know the suffering of poverty and its cause, and understand how to replace the impermanent physical body and impermanent wealth with the permanent body and permanent wealth, as taught by the Buddha. You are people who really understand the Buddha's teaching.